employee, order, priority, order, quantity, sales, selling, month name, ship date, the sales status. Okay? Questions. You have practiced these questions. You have no 10 questions, no more questions, then I have to summarize sales data by region. So what are the fields are required? Sales data by region. So sales column is required and number is region. For the two, you have the negative. Like in the way, and you have to copy paste, not mark the question. So how will you generate the first of all the shortcut question? Pivot table. Control A, insert, pivot table. Right? Insert, tables, pivot, page. If you want chart, go to pivot chart. Shortcut next, all can be. So select the table, control A, all can be. Generate by can be. Okay, all can be. Combination of all can be. Choosing the select a table again, external data source, new worksheet, existing worksheet. Always new worksheet because the data is more, not small data. You have to choose always existing worksheet now, new worksheet always. This is worksheet is new. Now, okay. Now display the field list. Field list. So what are the field issues? Field label. The filters, columns, rows, sigma. Sigma means summation. And the student data. Student names are there. Shall I add the names? No. What I do with the data? Count. You count the student names, not some other student names. Some count difference. You know, here. Count number of records. Summation. Sum. Add the numbers. So sum the salaries of records. Sum. The sales data is sum. What is the count display? The count of records. How many records of records? Count. 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 So here you have to click here. That will display automatically. What is the first question? Summarize the sales data by region. Simply sales column and the section column is required region. Sales in the region. Where is sales here? Sales. I can drag here. Sales order is coming here. Region. Where is region? So region is the most. Sales is automatically. If you drag here, it's not here. You drag here. Region. You drag here. Figures. You drag here columns. The data is displayed in the columns. But it is looking here only. It's very hard to drag. Here you can drag some data. Here is visibility. It should be very, not meaningless. You want to know the picture. It should be readability. Looking good. Should not the labels. It's not already. I can read them. Double click. Sorry, region. Right. It's region sales. Summarize the data by sales region. So the question, sales data by region. That's all. Now I have to copy everything here and do order. Next question. Control C. And then second question. Give some differences on region sales, region by sales, count, number of records, one. So what are the required here finally? Above the question, sales region is there. So what are the one required you want here? What are the required one? Region by sales. Sales count. Sales is there. Sales volume. The sales volume, sales product, sales both are same. Volume and so total amount. Sales, what is sales number? Numbers, numerical number. What will do the data summation? Total sales, volume, both are same. So what is you want required here? Other region is there. Region sales is there. Region sales. But here sales count, sales volume. Followed by region. How many counts are required? What is the region? What is the sales count? What is the sales volume? How will you do? I copy and paste the data here. So one more is required. I can drag the sales to here. Both are. I told you this one I can get it back. So it is both are sales. What I want here? Count. All the volume come right here. Summarize values by count average. You have any question anyway. Show me the average, show me the count, maximum, minimum. If it comes equal, count, it is count of sales and rename clearly. There's two buttons, count of sales. Count of sales summons. See. Clear? And third question. The field is not visible. What do you have to know? The field is not visible. Once you take up the pivot table, you can use the table, the design tab will come here, the analyze will be two of them. The field is anywhere. I will show. Click here again, show field list. You have there. Clear? Start with the pivot table, sales count and sales volume, both in a single pivot table. What is the table counted? Volume what is there? You do it sales count, sales volume by customer segments. What are the one here? Customer segment. The two one customer segment. The one here. Region. Which are we have it?
Customer segment.
Customer segment. Control C. Control V. What you have to do here?
Customer segment.
Answer good. You want to add?
Customer segment.
Customer
Second. Region.
segment.
Customer segment.
Is the segment? Region, huh? What is it?
Customer segment.
Customer segment. Customer segment. Sales, count of sales. Number of sales. Count of sales means number of sales. Number of transactions. First shop is getting 20 transactions, 30 transactions, 50 transactions. The number of transactions. Count of transactions. Count of sales. Summation. How much the total amount? Accumulated. End of the day. Summation. Clear? Next question. Drive pivot table on customer segment. Why average price? What are the requirement here? Customer segment and profit. Profit. There is simple idea. There is no programming, no coding, nothing except. Customer segment in the Control C. Control V. So what do you have to move here? Control sales. What do you have to add? Profit. Then order. So average profit. How the average come? Keep writing. Summarize values by. Show values as. This we have to check. Next question. Draw a pivot table, product category and subcategory on profit column. Drive the product category, subcategory. We have two columns. Column on profit. Okay, fine. Product category is one column and subcategory is second column. Actually, if you take a pivot table, the two will come to only one column. You have to separate. How to separate category? The customer segments are product category and the subcategory. Right profit. Control C. Control V. Show field list. Which one number?
Customer segment.
Customer segment correct. Which one have product category, subcategory. Non profit. But here the product category subcategory will only one column. How segment here is the same. So this one, design tab and analyze. report label. You know the option, report label. The report label over here showing the tabular form. How to segregate the two fields. I take the two, what are the two? Product category, sub-category. Both of them in only one. Now is the report label from step design tab. Report label showing tabular form. Now it will be separated. Product category, sub-category divided into two columns. Then the this point is then your column is separated. Then we name routine. This one is what you have to do. How to segregate the table using the design tab. Report label, tabular form. Come back on both the second try what is happening. The two happens. It's like in now we will change like it. Clear? Go finish. Next question. This is a discount calculated fee. All are different from other. This is a discount calculated fee, discount 10% and customer segments as a primary and sales. Sales we have. So what are recommended here? Customer segment 1, primary and sales. There is no primary, sales only. Customer segment sales. For the sales we have to add the 10% discount and calculated column, one more column on the right side. First you have to take the customer segment and sales. No primary sales. Secondary sales something is there. Only sales only. Customer segment sales by 10%. 10% only. Discount 10 now. Sales. Very how to get the calculated fee. Customer segment. This one. Yes. So what are we here?
Count 6.
Sales order. Customer segment order. Sales and customer segment. So which one you have to go?
Count 6.
How to drag? Drag. Drag and drag. Drag and drop only. No formulas. Clear now? Customer segment sum of this. Clear? Clear? Customer segment and primary sales and sales. Customer segment sales. Now one more column. Calculation column. So 10%. How to create here? Now click here. Go this one. Go to analyze calculation. Same location. Analyze calculation. Field items inside. You know what you click calculate. Clear? You know calculate field. So name the field name. Whatever you want to do. Here the value. Whatever you discount field. Here come here. Field decimal, not decimal. Like Excel formula. So sales double click. Sales double click. It will start with it. So minus. I will against name. Start button 10%. Actual price 400 rupees. 400 rupees. 10% discount. What will the buying price? 400 rupees actual price. 10% discount. How much are you paying?
40. No.
What is this? What is this?
43.
400 rupees actual price. 10% discount. What will the final price I have to pay? 400 rupees final price. Final price. Final actual price. Discount is 10%. 400 the 400 by 10. 40. So 400 minus 40. And the discount is 10% of 400. 400. 400 minus 40. 60. That's why I'm taking it. Sales minus sales star 10%. In order to test it. Double click on the field automatically. That will be displayed. Don't type manually. Later, now. When? No, some of this. We know what it is. Okay. If you have to reach the F2. F2 here the text number the same as which last. This one 10% check cost manually is equal to actual price minus 10% star multiplication. What is? Here the same. What is the output? What is the final price? 5764 is the number. How are you if the number minus 10% star the same. Machine the 5764 something. Price. This comes. What do we say? Actual price. Discount. This is for 10% discount. Yes, sir. B50 minus 10%. Star. Sales cost. Sales minus sales star 10% or 10%. Excel line is 4%. Clear? Target. In terms of state order, create the pivot table. But before creating the pivot table, you have to make sure the data should be clean. If I was the blanks are probably clear. That can happen. Calculate. Next, please prepare pivot table order priority and sales. It's like a regional slicer. So same order priority sales की pivot table it's like a regional slicer. Regional slicer slicer range है region की slicer range. अच्छा वो तो pivot order priority sales.
Quantity.
Quantity. Order priority sales. अच्छा delivery order priority not associated. Clear. Order priority sum of sales or sales. So here we get the regional slicer. Click here. Regional slicer. What design tab? The slicer click on analyze. Insert. Slicer. Detail order. Region. Central. East. North. South. And display. Clear figure? Necessary. Click here. Control button. 1, 2. Clear figure. Building. You want to remove slicer? Click here. Suppose you highlighted grips and use the green button. You don't want. Insert slicer. Click here. Otherwise, this is slicer. Select the region. Create 2 pivot tables. Order priority and sales. Second produce and sales. 2 tables. Order sales. Order priority sales. Produce sales. Current 2 pivot tables. Create a single sales. Order priority sales. Produce and sales. Current produce priority sales. Clear? Next produce and sales. Control C. Control V. Escape. bracket, show pages, province. And to the single slice. So how to run a single slice? First take the slicer. First step, create a slicer. Come, analyze, use the slicer. It is good. Put it down in the province says. Got it? Sales is good. Sales is good. After grab sales, province says. The province not after grab. You don't know, slicer can't change. Now click here, sales. Right click here. First slicer. Remember, the content is going to be what was there? Create the two wires. Create a slicer, whatever size you want. You also create chips. Then click on the right click on the slicer, remove and again. So last two tables on this one. No. After tables say no. How can I apply? R. So this last two tables say tick on. Or tick on the thing, or tick on. Then that's a tick on. What do we have here? Names, names. Here. This is slicer. Then what's the create the slicer first step. Click. Right. This is slicer. Province is not sir. It's a province. In the bracket anyway. You put down things. Take the back side one. Now click here. Click the bracket. Okay, I'm going to first one we do aggregate order to do simultaneous shuffle. That's the link. You slice it two teams. Sometimes 3 tables. You get a charts. Operate the slicer. The data product will be operated. I get the 4 charts. 4 real charts. All will be operated the same. Ball up to, pie chart to, line up to, water was in 4 packet. Once you get the slicer, it connected. All will be operated simultaneously. Okay, so update. So last question. Use the pivot table. Last question. Use the pivot table. The data pivot table should group by year. You don't have to do it. Last question. So I'm taking here group by year. ये कुछ नहीं होगा मैडम डेटा पाइवट डेटा डेट सॉरी डेट पाइवट टेबल में ग्रुप है डेटा पाइवट टेबल आप दो राइट आप डेट इधर डेट ईयर ऑफ डेट सॉरी ईयर is the you have to take data date the column header control C enter column you have to copy better control V now I am getting the date of control C Set the column Alt L leave new column insert line okay I can group and figure out if you take over the group and group will be held otherwise this will be not held so take date column will be held date is the pivot table then you are getting the inside not outside the thing outside the inside January is because January right click then you get the group and group already you have dates of missing that's some mistake okay so now I am going to group check months what years are only years change one remove this one years only that is months right months and quarters so only group by if you want to expand you can say right click ungroup you will all the data then here right click group I want days months quarters these three only now it is group the values yes in the application you will find ungroup now what are the data group and months